Dr. Suvarchala, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. It's a wrong conception that men cannot have reduced fertility as their age advances. It is not true. There is a possibility. In fact, scientifically, medically, as you age and above 40-45, men also have a decline in fertility. Let's try to understand the factors behind this decline in fertility. Majorly, there is a decline in sperm quality. It could be the number, motility, or the morphology, due to which there is reduced fertility. Sperms could be low in the factors that I've talked about, or not be there at all, which is azoospermia. This decline in quality of sperm can bring down fertility. Hormonal changes are also evident after 40-45 in men. Low testosterone can lead to low sperm production and also low libido. Sexual interest may decrease after 40-45, thereby indirectly causes reduced fertility. There are genetic causes as well, such as DNA fragmentation in the heads of sperms. These heads carry the nucleus which has the genes. So these chromosomes can also go through chromosomal or DNA deformities, which can lead to poor chances of conception. There is a higher risk of miscarriage in men who are of advanced age because of these issues. Not just this, there are genetic issues as well in the sperms. By genetics, I mean aneuploidy, more number of chromosomes go into the egg to fertilize it, so on and so forth. So such issues can also lead to infertility in men. The time to conception also is increased in these men with advanced age. That's because the quality of sperms comes down. Pregnancy outcomes are also affected. Men in advanced age with these sperm deformities, when they make their partners pregnant, have known to cause defects in the fetus because of the sperm defect. So there are direct links between miscarriage rate and the quality of sperm. So with advanced age, these complications are also increased. There are factors that decline fertility in men, such as smoking, drinking, too much weight, too much exercise, or health conditions such as diabetes, thyroid, increased prolactin, etc., which can also increase the risk of having infertility as you advanced in age. But here are some tips to improve your fertility. You can improve your diet, you can exercise well, you can have a good lifestyle, also reduce your exposure to toxins. All these will definitely improve your fertility. If you wish to know more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. A lot of effort has gone into making this video. Please like and subscribe us. Thank you.